This photo shows the area of Georgetown at the lower end of Tredegar. The steam drain that you see on the left-hand side of the picture were used to take all the waste materials from the ironworks and coal mines and fill it in the lower end of the valley, which is now the area of Peacehaven, Brompton Place and Vale Terrace. The shop you see in the picture is at the end of Vale Terrace and would have supplied goods to the miners and steel workers. In the background you can see a tall chimney stack. This was the gas works that covered a large area opposite Vale Terrace, and the large building behind the train is Park Place Chapel. Today the railway and gas works have gone and the church has been converted into a performance space. The shop still exists as a takeaway, although what was once the front is now the side. The space where the photographer stood is now a snooker hall.